Shriman, आज के Pyntian plate पर 37 batch UBRCs 141 Pyntian plate पर निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है Shriman.
Hakajing Pyntian Smai yakini ki sispa sa pui ngut ki pulit constable la sakhi lang ru de ki wei ki he pulit kajela harangkat ki jingdon lang ki me ki pa bat ki bahiang basem jong kini ki pulit lang ru ki bla yo yak jing sha ikai pentibet na kini ki silam ajing ikai ki pulit kini ki sispa sa pui ngut ki de ki bla sha jet house nam arjal khat lai bakan thup ki samla sinrang bat kan thei ki badai ne ki desik bo pher jong kajela Katba kini ki sispa sa pui ngut ki pulit langrut ki dongdon hakte ka skul kumba shipop na iye la ajing kai ye ki jat kam bo pher kin thup ye ki kam ki baya dei bat ka jingsha thombor ki kin thei ki kin don an jong ka criminal procedure code ka cyber crime ka jingtip shafang ka computer bat ki wei ki jat jing kai hang ne ga singi la samru ye khusnam shaki prangot ki pulit langrut na pedeng kini sispa sa pui ngut ki belawan shakmat ye ki jinga kop bo pher katba ki dangdon na pedeng ka jingsha ikai ka ba shipop na kin thi
I do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that to the best of my abilities, knowledge and judgment, perform my assigned duties faithfully, that I shall obey and carry out all legal orders of my superiors, and uphold the honor and dignity of Meghalaya Police, that I will fulfill my responsibilities towards the citizen and the country, even if I have to sacrifice my life. So help me God. Wearing khaki drill during ceremonial parades, apart from the parade ground, has sadly been dispensed with. I think the leadership of the
Meghalaya police should take note that whenever there is a parade or whenever there was a guard of honor, the officers, the men should always be in khaki drill. It looks smarter and get a look, turn out as gifts. Special congratulations are due to you, the passing out constables today. This day marks an important milestone for you, as you are formally inducted into the Meghalaya Police after successfully completing a demanding training curriculum. Principal PTS has already outlined what subjects you have done, but this is the beginning, and I feel that as you go on in your service, you should learn more skills so that you can be eligible for higher responsibilities.
Sambhu Kumar Yadav is from East Khasi East here. Gilbert Mayong from Hubei district.